This is Gadgets Magazine TV, and here's the latest news.
Acer recently held its Global Next at Acer 2020 in a virtual press conference that showcased its latest product offerings. First off, Acer announced the Chromebook Spin 713, a premium convertible notebook developed as part of Intel's Project Athena innovation program for advanced mobile performance that comes with the business capabilities of Chrome OS Unlocked. In the same family is a convertible notebook designed for students, the Chromebook Spin 311 that has up to 16 hours of battery life. Acer also launched their Enduro lineup of rugged notebooks and tablets designed for first responders as well as field and manufacturing workers. The Acer Enduro N7 is designed to survive even the most chaotic of industrial environments and features a hot swappable battery. The Acer Enduro T1 tablet is designed for use with gloves and comes with a range of accessories for use in various scenarios. The Acer Enduro T5 tablet is designed for industrial warehouse work and comes with a swappable battery to allow for continuous use while on the job. The new Acer Swift 5 is an ultra-thin and light notebook that packs power and performance in an ultra-portable chassis. Its touchscreen is covered with an antimicrobial Corning glass, and users have the option to include an antimicrobial coating on other exposed surfaces. Its all-day battery can be fast-charged, yielding 4 hours of use on a 30-minute charge. Acer also announced the expansion of its acclaimed gaming portfolio with desktops, monitors, and accessories. Meanwhile, Acer's Predator Helius, Predator Triton, and Nitro gaming notebooks have been refreshed with the latest processors and graphics cards. Acer's new PowerGem thermal technology makes its debut in the Predator Helius 700, bringing significant cooling enhancements to this powerful gaming notebook. For creatives, Acer added new notebooks, desktops, and monitors to its Concept D series.